Hi everyone. Today I'll introduce an indicator that I find useful for anyone doing futures prop firm trading from firms like, let's say, Apex. The intraday trailing drawdown is one of the reasons why I actually dislike trading this account style because it's quite difficult for me to view on the chart where my current drawdown is at any given time. There are some methods where you can look at your account positions to determine, but to me that is not intuitive enough. I would actually prefer to have a view on the chart itself. It's not once or twice when I was looking at other YouTubers live stream and I saw on occasions that they blew their accounts because they were not aware that they had some positions that were profitable and then the trailing drawdown came down and caused them to lose their accounts. With this indicator, you can look at where your drawdown is at any given time. To start, you can download this indicator from the Ninjatrader user share app. I'll post the link in the description below. Once you download it, you can import it into your control center. Import NinjaScript add-on, and from there you can launch the indicator. Right. So right here is my chart. And if I want to turn on the indicator, I'll just right click, select indicator, and go to the selection prop trader tools, prop trader account tool. Okay. So this is my uh, properties for the indicator. So select my account. Right now I select playback. I have set a 100K account and maybe a $3,000 drawdown. And also I'll auto liquidate at 9,000, 97,000. So this is based on the usual standard rule for a 100K account. And from here, I can further customize it. Let's say I would like to have my drawdown level to alert me at 50% where I maybe panic. So right now the current default is 10%, 30%, and 80%. I would like to set 50% where I will panic and maybe 99% where I know that my account is absolutely blown. Right. Once I apply everything, selected everything, I will just click apply and it will show up. So this right here, this panel is where you see all your drawdown information. Okay? Like right now, this is a 9:30 open, uh, and we had heavy news on 8:30. Okay, 8:30, and it causes the price to spike up over here. So it's a 100 point jump within pre-market, and which I believe at the 9:30 open, the price will go down here and tag the 8:30 open liquidity. So, like, where would I want to set my stop loss if I decided to open a position right at the open? I will set it like over here, which is um, the candle high for this swing. And like let's say I decided to sell it at 4 accounts currently, maybe change it to 5 accounts. I will sell it at market. Okay, then you see that there's all this drawdown, which is based on the selection I had, and it is calculated like based on. All right, sorry for the hiccup. I have to restart things a bit because I was playing around with it earlier and I did not reset the parameters. So as you can see, like right now, it is based on the drawdown is based on the parameter I set. So my total max drawdown is $3,000, but I set it at 99%. So it's right now it's listing for me where my stop loss will be if based on 5 contracts, 5 MNQ contracts, um, where the price will where I will blow my account if it reach the $3,000 drawdown line. This is a 5,000 50% drawdown, and this is a 10% drawdown. Okay, and then you just continue on. Okay. And let's say I am greedy over here, even though I know that this position is currently at a loss, I am viewing that it will not hit back to this stop loss over here. So let's say because of this, I decided to sell another 5 contracts. Wow, this looks dicey, but never mind. Let's sell market another 5 contracts. Okay, and before this, let me see first. Right now, currently my position is at a minus 237, and if I decided to, let's say I set a OCO order first, I can go here and I can click this. This it will create a bracket for stop loss and take profit. For any experienced Ninjatrader user, I believe they can set their stop loss and take profit themselves. But for beginners, this is a useful button to set it quickly on the chart. Okay. Orders submitted. And you see that it create 5 over here. In the properties, you can control like how many ticks you want the stop loss and take profit to be. Like let's say because of that earlier analysis, I think that the stop loss should be at over here, and the take profit will be the at 30 candle over here. And right now, I am a bit greedy. I know that I can add to my positions right now. So I will sell another 5 contracts over here. Order fell. And then immediately you see that the 50% drawdown, it went from above here and it just goes down. Because this shows that like at maximum, the price cannot go back up to 1072, or else I will blow my account. And in the bracket order, initially it was 5 contracts. You see that it automatically adds another 5 contracts to it. So right now the stop loss and take profit is 10 contracts, 10 MNQ contracts. Let's have the price run as usual. Okay, see that the resistance to go up is actually quite high. So maybe at this point I'll say, okay, let's be greedy and I sell another 5 contracts again. Order fell. Okay. Now my drawdown is where the 50% mark is, and is this where this will be where I am might be panicking if the price goes up and reach over here, but I will assess the overall position like based on the current drawdown and the price structure at this time. Actually, for this one, it's not an uncommon view because most of the traders they are trading NQ instead of MNQ, and MNQ is 10 times smaller than NQ. So if you look at this 15 MNQ contracts right now, it's actually like 1.5 NQ contracts, and usually people trade like 2 NQ contracts at a time. So their drawdown is actually much lower compared to what I am showing right now. Okay. I'll move forward to the position to the part where the price will almost reach our target price. At this point, you see that price is almost hitting the target. But if you think about it, look at it. This one for the pre-market, in the Globex, the price has just been going up. I believe the actual target is actually much lower, at least maybe around this level. So right now, what I'm intending to do is I will just like maybe take a partial profit. But if you see that the 99% of drawdown is already over here, whereas my initial buy stop is still above this line. So if the price went up from here and goes up to this drawdown before it reaches this profit target, it means that my account is blown, even though I might be profitable, my position might be profitable. So what I should do right now is um, maybe I will buy some position over here. Okay, I'll buy 5 and I'll move my drawdown lower. For me, the best stop loss will be over here because this is the uh, liquidity line at the other end of the sell cycle. Okay, but and I'll move this profit target down over here. So this drawdown will determine like whether I am comfortable like holding this much position at any given time if my profit target is over here. I will think about like what if the price target goes back up over here. I am risking like 50% of drawdown. If I am like setting the profit, if I'm setting the stop loss over here, am I comfortable with that at this moment? So we'll see. Right now I have already secured some profit and price is still continuing going down. All right, at this stage, then I will maybe buy another 5 contract. And you see that, okay, now the 99% is over here. I am in no, I do not need to worry about blowing my drawdown. So this is one of the disadvantages of the intraday trading drawdown, where you can see that my 99% drawdown and the 50% drawdown, they just keep going down as long as you are in the position of profit. So that is one of the key things to keep in mind, where if you do not have this indicator, this hidden drawdown will be the killer, especially since a lot of people play with um, higher with the mini contract, which is much higher in value compared to the micro contracts that I'm currently playing with right now. So you see that the price is going up right now. For me, what I think is that they will not go up to this position over here, but they might go back and tag this IDR level. So is it worth it for me to keep the stop loss over here, or should I just close my position already at the time? Well, that is all depends on you and how you are assessing like how much are you willing to risk your drawdown for it to reach the final profit target. For me, this it's enough for me right now, and I will just say okay, that's it. I'll close all my trade position for now. Yeah. All right, there you have it. This is how you can use this indicator to look at your drawdown level as you progress with your trades throughout the days, the weeks, and the months. Thank you very much.